Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by capturing the raw character of the board. Do it now. Place a cardioid mic 1 to 2 feet away, angled toward the keycaps. Set 44, 148K HZ and 24-bit. Record several takes of single key presses, rolls, and spacebar hits. Once done, label files by key and velocity so you can audition quickly. Make sure to disable automatic noise suppression so you preserve high-frequency transients. Those clicks are the core of the sound you'll sculpt. Once you have clean takes, you edit for clarity. Trim leading silence and isolate transients, normalize to around -6 dB but preserve attack dynamics. Next, layer. Add a transient shaper to emphasize the initial click, then a short room reverb to give space. Very low mix. Apply a high shelf boost of 2 to 4 dB to bring out sparkle. Finally, duplicate tracks for stereo width and nudge one copy by 5 to 20 milliseconds. This creates depth without sounding artificial. You finish by balancing and exporting. Use gentle compression at about 1.5 to 1 ratio. Set attack 3 to 5 ms and release 40 to 80 ms to keep snap. Light EQ tidy up, cut any harshness around 3 to 6 kHz and lift highs slightly. Export a WAV at 44.1 kHz and 24-bit. If playback sounds thin, boost transient gain or add a subtle harmonic exciter. If it's brittle, reduce a couple dB in the 3 to 6 kHz band. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.